Romance in the bedroom is a crucial element of maintaining a healthy and passionate relationship. It's not just about physical satisfaction but also about emotional intimacy. If you want to enhance your romantic connection with your partner, here are 5 tips to help you be more romantic in bed. 1. Communication is key. Effective communication is the foundation of any successful romantic encounter. Discuss your desires, fantasies, and boundaries with your partner. Open and honest conversations about what you both enjoy will help you better understand each other's needs and create a more romantic atmosphere in the bedroom. By being attentive and responsive to each other's desires, you can build a deeper emotional connection. 2. Create the right ambience. Setting the mood is essential for a romantic experience in bed. Consider soft lighting, scented candles, and soothing music to create a sensual atmosphere. Remove distractions like smartphones and laptops to focus entirely on each other. By taking the time to prepare the environment, you show your partner that you care about making the experience special. 3. Foreplay matters. Foreplay is an integral part of a romantic encounter. Take your time to explore your partner's body through gentle caresses, kisses, and sensual massages. This not only enhances physical pleasure but also builds emotional intimacy. Remember that foreplay should be a mutual experience, so be attuned to your partner's responses and desires. 4. Experiment and surprise. To keep the romance alive in your relationship, don't be afraid to experiment and surprise your partner in the bedroom. Try new positions, introduce sexy lingerie, or incorporate props and toys that you both feel comfortable with. Surprises and novelty can reignite the spark and make your intimate moments more exciting and memorable. 5. Emotional connection. The most profound form of romance in bed is the emotional connection between partners. Show your love and affection through words and actions. Whisper sweet nothings, express your admiration, and remind your partner of your love for them. Hugging, cuddling, and maintaining eye contact can all deepen the emotional bond during intimate moments. Conclusion. Being romantic in bed is not just about physical acts but also about fostering emotional intimacy and connection with your partner. Effective communication, setting the right ambience, indulging in foreplay, experimenting, and nurturing the emotional bond are all essential elements of a more romantic experience. By putting in the effort to prioritize romance, you can keep the passion alive and strengthen your relationship. Remember that each couple is unique, so adapt these tips to suit your personal preferences and desires, and most importantly, enjoy the journey of deepening your connection with your partner.